Welcome back to our channel, guys. Right now we're gonna see a great topic, future topic, Defi, decentralized finance. The future is here, guys. Let's get into the video. We can know what is Defi and how it works. Let's get into the video. So guys, decentralized finance, Defi. I'll make you to understand a clear example how you can understand this Defi, guys. Okay, right now you know the banks. Okay, right now you all know the banks. If you want to take a loan, you have to submit something. You have to submit some proof, or you have to submit some proof, or you have to give the gold, or you have to submit some land document or anything else. You have to submit something. For that, how much value it is worth, they will give the money to us. Okay, this is the banking system. Okay, but in Defi, decentralized finance, we don't want to go for bank and we don't want to give anything with the currencies. Okay, with the cryptocurrencies, they will lend money. Okay, example, if you have one bitcoin, okay, if you have one bitcoin, we can directly lend money from them. Okay, we can directly lend money, okay, by decentralized finance method. Okay, that is Defi. We can directly lend, we can directly transfer to the one account will be there for the Defi protocol. We have transfer our bitcoin, so they will check how much estimation they can give for the loan to us, so they will give USDT to us. So every month we have to pay interest. The interest we are paying will directly go to the person who gave USDT to us, and finally once we pay all the money, we directly get the bitcoin back. Okay, so it's a very simple method, guys. The future is here, decentralized. So in future the banks won't work anymore, guys. Okay, because already everything is coming under decentralized. Okay, so right now future the bank is working with a lot of people, but future is here without anyone permission, without anyone controlling. The decentralized will work, guys. Okay, that's what the Defi will work. In future there is no more banks, everything will work under decentralized. Whatever we can and whatever we can get, everything will get to decentralized program. So the future is here, guys. Okay, so here are the details, decentralized finance. You can check it out. Okay, what's in English what the decentralized finance explanation is there. If you wanna, you can check. So by the smart contracts method, okay, by this blockchain smart contracts method only this will work, guys. Okay, decentralized finance. Okay, so a lot of details available, you can check it out, guys. Okay, so click on that and click on network, token service, lot of options available, header services, how it works, how it leads. Okay, so check it out and get all the details before that. Okay, Defi, decentralized finance. Okay, guys, here the thing is, the future is here and we are smart contracts. Okay, we are smart contracts, it's work properly, guys. Okay, in future the banks won't be available. Okay, by giving the proof, by giving the land, or by giving the gold, we used to get the loan in the bank. Okay, but in future with the digital asset we will get loan directly. We have to transfer to the blockchain, so they will calculate and how much amount they can lend, they will lend us. After every month we used to pay the interest. After finally once we pay the amount, we will get the bitcoin back, and the interest, everything what we paid will directly go to the person who lent us USDT. Okay, so it's very simple method, guys. This is a decentralized finance. Okay, so the future is here, guys. Okay, there in future there is no more banks will be available, only Defi works, guys. So Defi will be a great project, and recently the Defi projects all gonna crazy pump, guys. Okay, so if you wanna invest in something, just invest in Defi projects. Just find out the Defi projects and invest in your own risk, guys. Okay, that's what I used to suggest. This Defi projects is the future. This Defi is everything. This Defi is the world in the future. So let's get into this, guys. Defi. Okay guys, so Defi is the future guys. Think about it, invest it, make profit with us. Okay guys, thank you so much. We'll see you in another great video guys. Thank you.